Hi and welcome to this video on fundamental analysis of blockchain projects, a case study. In our previous videos, we introduced the basics of fundamental analysis and explored how to use this important investment tool to evaluate and invest in cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll focus on using fundamental analysis to evaluate blockchain projects, using a real-world example as a case study. Before we dive into our case study, let's briefly review some of the key factors to consider when using fundamental analysis to evaluate blockchain projects. Use case. The use case of a blockchain project is an important factor to consider. A project with a strong and practical use case is more likely to have value in the long term. Market sentiment. The market sentiment around a blockchain project can have a big impact on its value. Positive sentiment can drive up the price, while negative sentiment can drive it down. It's important to keep an eye on both the overall market sentiment and the sentiment within the specific community of the project. Team and community. The team behind a blockchain project and the strength of its community can be indicators of the project's long-term success. A strong team and supportive community can be positive factors to consider when evaluating a blockchain project. Economic indicators. The current economic environment can affect the demand for blockchain projects. For example, a recession may lead to a decrease in demand for riskier investments like blockchain projects. Market capitalization. The market capitalization of a blockchain project can give you an idea of its size and relative stability. A larger market capitalization may indicate a more established and stable project, while a smaller market capitalization may indicate higher risk. Intrinsic value. The intrinsic value of a blockchain project is the true value of the asset based on its fundamental factors. By estimating the intrinsic value of a project using an approach like the intrinsic value approach or the discounted cash flow approach, you can determine whether the project is overvalued or undervalued compared to its intrinsic value. Now, let's move on to our case study. Our case study will be the Ethereum blockchain, which is a decentralized platform for running smart contracts. Ethereum was launched in 2015 and has since become one of the most popular and widely used blockchain platforms in the world. So, let's use fundamental analysis to evaluate the Ethereum blockchain as a project. First, let's consider the use case of Ethereum. Ethereum is a platform for running smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. This makes Ethereum a useful tool for a wide range of applications, including decentralized finance, DeFi, supply chain management, and voting systems. This strong and practical use case is a positive factor in our evaluation of Ethereum. Next, let's look at market sentiment. Ethereum has consistently had positive market sentiment, with a strong and supportive community of developers and users. This is a positive factor in our evaluation. The team behind Ethereum is led by Vitalik Buterin, who is well respected in the blockchain community and has a strong track record of delivering on the promises of the Ethereum project. Additionally, Ethereum has a large and active community of developers and users, which is a positive factor in our evaluation. In terms of economic indicators, Ethereum has performed well in both bull and bear markets, indicating that it may be less sensitive to economic conditions than some other cryptocurrencies. This is a positive factor in our evaluation. Ethereum has a large market capitalization, ranking second among all cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization at the time of writing. This large market capitalization is a positive factor in our evaluation, as it may indicate a more stable and established project. Finally, let's consider the intrinsic value of Ethereum. Using an intrinsic value approach, we can estimate the intrinsic value of Ethereum by considering its fundamental factors, such as its use case, market sentiment, team and community, and economic indicators. Based on our analysis, we believe that Ethereum is currently undervalued compared to its intrinsic value, which is a positive factor in our evaluation. So, based on our fundamental analysis of the Ethereum blockchain, we believe that it is a strong and undervalued project with a strong use case, positive market sentiment, a strong team and community, and good performance in both bull and bear markets. Thanks for watching this video on fundamental analysis of blockchain projects, a case study. We hope that this has given you a better understanding of how to use fundamental analysis to evaluate blockchain projects. If you enjoyed it and want to learn more about this important investment tool, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're ready to start using cryptocurrencies yourself, don't forget to create your own BINGX account using my referral link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.